in a fast-moving sweep for overweight trucks.
Do you need the name of the person or anything?
This driver is going to jail. 5 outstanding warrants for unpaid fines, inspection violations, driving with an unsecured load.
What are you carrying?
Vigilance is the message police want to send to drivers breaking the law. Police say 1 in 3 truckers are doing it, leading to fatal accidents and tearing up city streets.
Got a flammable liquid.
But the truckers already know what we found when we spent a day with the enforcement team. The cops even told us they're badly outmatched.
I think because of the amount of enforcement they know that's out there, I think they just factored into doing business in some ways.
They know that the chance of them getting stopped, and if stopped, facing some real harsh effect, are pretty low.
Attorney Christopher Dean has battled trucking companies in court. He knows when overweight trucks crash, they very often kill.
They're willing to take that chance, and that chance is being taken right now on the roads while we're doing this interview.
In fact, while we were talking to him, this happened. An overweight truck lost its load and punched a hole in a Beltway 8 overpass. Dean says as the price of fuel goes up, more and more truckers will take greater and greater risks.
They're making money when these trucks are on the road with as much weight as they can possibly get away with.
There's not much incentive for truckers and trucking companies not to drive overweight. We ran the numbers and found out that for every 1 truck caught driving overweight per day in the city of Houston, there are more than 3,000 truckers that are not.
Overweight group of axles.
And there's something else. Police issue fines when a truck's too heavy.
He's pretty well overweight.
Usually in the thousands of dollars. But when we asked what happens to those fines, city leaders told us they're often negotiated down in municipal court.
Were you aware that it was overweight?
No, I wasn't aware. No.
Police say his truck was over by 4,000 pounds. On the road, extra weight means it's much easier for a driver to lose control.
Can't you just tell if it's overweight or not?
You've had an industry that's basically gone relatively unchecked. And here's an opportunity for us to bring things back into a closer process.
Houston City Council member Adrian Garcia hopes the new year will bring new life to his plan to require more permits for overweight trucks. The money would help repair streets torn up by heavy trucks. But opposition from the trucking industry, the Port of Houston, even the Texas Attorney General's office have sent that plan packing. Now, buried in a supplemental city budget, we found evidence of a new approach. 11 new weight scales to replace aging equipment.
It's old and heavy.
More scales will help officers weigh more trucks. The trucking industry says it welcomes that.
We are certainly behind that. The more enforcement can be exacted upon those bad actors, the better we are as an industry.
You know, it causes cracks, it causes potholes. It just, daily trucks running like that, they're tearing the streets up.
Every day, 250,000 trucks drive through Houston streets. And on a good day, this trucking team will pull over just 25. Along the Katy Freeway, Lee McGuire, 11 News.